Welcome to SketchUp 101. Today, we're diving into 3D modeling with SketchUp, a powerful software used across various industries like architecture, interior design, gaming, and more. Whether you're totally new or have tried it a bit, this lesson will give you what you need to start making awesome 3D models. This lesson will equip you with the essential tools and techniques to kickstart your journey into 3D modeling. Let's explore the SketchUp interface. When you open SketchUp, you'll find some default templates. Choose what you want. I select the plan view from these templates, which gives me a 2D view and allows you to start your design. In the SketchUp menu bar, you'll find many options such as File, Edit, View, Camera, Draw, and more. Each option has its specific use. For example, in File, you can save and open your files. In Edit, you'll find editing tools. In the View option, you can set the tool on the toolbar section. Select what you want. As you can see, when I select any option, it will open and be set in the toolbar section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips on interior design software. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.